Hi, I'm Peter S. Gilson with Peter's Custom Woodworking in Woodinville, Washington, and I'd like to show you the upgraded rip fence from TSO Products for your DeWalt 10-inch Jobsite Table Saw. I am a big fan of my DeWalt table saw. I've used mine for years. I've seen lots of driveways at my clients' places. This saw strikes such a great balance of size and capability, and now it's going to be even better with the upgraded rip fence from TSO. This upgraded fence adds 3 T-slots, so you can easily mount all sorts of accessories like stock guides, feather boards, sacrificial fences, and jigs. Pair it with JSM stock guides for smoother, safer, and more accurate cuts, as your work remains perfectly aligned against the fence throughout each cut. Need zero clearance cuts? Add the TSO sacrificial fence and embed a dado stack for quick and easy rabbiting operations. Or if you're like me and want to build your own jigs, you can easily mount them into the T-slots, whether it's a block for repeatable crosscuts, a taller fence for upright panel support, or an L fence to handle rabbets, tongues, and tempered work. The possibilities are endless. Assembly is quick and easy. Simply reuse existing DeWalt brackets and hardware. Once installed, you will maintain all of the existing features of the fence, like the flip-over support for super narrow and wide rips, push-stick storage, and it still tugs under the saw for secure transport. Ready to unlock the full potential of your DeWalt 10-inch Jobsite Table Saw? This upgraded rip fence from TSO Products will allow you to do so much more with this trusted workhorse. Happy building!